Today we're going to turn toilet paper into beautiful flowers. So get yourself a roll of toilet paper and let's get started. Pull off 3 sheets, fold them in half, and then in half again. If your toilet paper isn't 2-ply or thick paper, double it up. Now cut triangle shapes down each side using zigzag scissors. Unfold the paper, then fold back and forth the entire length like an accordion. Fold in half and loosely twist tie or wire shut with a long wire or pipe cleaner. Gently pull apart the 2 layers of toilet paper. Pinch the bottom of the flower into shape to create a nice flower form. Cut a long strip of green streamer paper for the stem. Apply glue to the long strip of paper and twist it onto the stem. Cut a 4-inch strip of green streamer paper for the base of the flower. Paste this paper onto the stem base with craft glue. Take 2 more 4-inch strips of green paper and double them up for strength. Cut 2 small leaves and 2 larger leaves for the finishing touch. Glue the 2 small leaves at the top and the 2 large leaves further down. That's it! It's so simple. Have fun making a whole bunch if you want. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more great videos.